Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Virgos. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Virgos, for your daily energies and for your love energies. And I'll be picking the fairy guidance card at last, guys, for your situation. Five of Cups, Knight of Wands, Two of Pentacles. Virgos, these cards give out the energy that there is some new message coming towards you, or you may be meeting some people, and something is coming up. Maybe you will want to go to a different city, or you may be planning to go for your work, or you may be changing residence, or this news may bring up this new change. Something is coming up and you are worried about that. You are not ready to accept that change, this new situation that is coming up, some kind of place change that may be because of your work or in your relationship. You may want to move in with this person, or you may want to move out with this person, and things are not happening as you had wished for. Though you have this relationship, or though you have this work, the way things are progressing is not up to your expectation. There is some kind of frustration and sadness in that. Things are not going as you expected, guys. So this may be because of what to say, some kind of emotional stress you're having, or something based on the past. Maybe you are comparing something that happened in the past, and you feel things are not happening as you had expected. Maybe in your relationship or in your work, you may feel certain kind of stress, guys. So let us see what is the reason why things are not going as it needs to be, guys. Let us pick more cards from another deck, guys. Mountain, guys. So with these cards, Virgos, again, it's denoting some kind of challenges you're facing in life. Maybe in your work, you may feel whatever you do, you are reaching a dead end, guys. You are unable to progress forward, so you need to find a solution how to resolve this situation. And maybe for some of you all, you are getting some important information or message from someone that may be of great use to you, guys. Some kind of knowledge about something, some kind of secrets, or some discovery, some revelations are happening. You are learning something. This may be regarding your situation, and you may feel what to say, you will have the knowledge of that thing that is causing the stress. Or if it is in your relationship, you may find out about your person, some kind of secret, and you will come to what to say, a decision, guys. And this state may be ending with this card, I feel. So this state of your emotional stress, that may be ending, guys, with this new knowledge you're gaining today. So So it may be a friend, your common friend, or someone, family, someone maybe uh, telling you about this inside knowledge about this person, or the situation, or this may be your person's energy. They may get a knowledge or something, information about you. So it works vice versa, guys. So you are coming to what to say, to an understanding of your situation, and maybe with that understanding you will be able to overcome the challenges that you're facing, guys. That may also be the energy here. So let us see what the fairies are guiding us with today, guys. What the fairies are asking us to do today. Angel of time. So with this fairy guidance card, I feel it is a time for you to relax yourself, to stay away from your work routines or whatever life routines you have every day, your day to day life. So sometimes you need to take a break, just to what to say, walk, have a walk in the park, take a walk in the park, just swim in an ocean, or just go for a ride, uh, go camping, hiking, something. When we what to say, detach ourselves from our daily routines, and when we spend time in nature, it just helps us to heal ourselves and make ourselves so much better, guys, to face our day to day life when we get back with more positivity and more confidence, and a strength in our heart. So the angels are guiding us to take rest, guys, time to relax and time to unwind ourselves from our tight schedules that we have every day. So sometimes we need to do that just to get in touch with our true self, guys. So that is the reading for today, Virgos. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Virgos.